Hello. You all wanted to see my baking collection. So here it is. Oh, wait a second. Oh, hold on. This is a little sneak peek. There we go. So, there's one thing missing. I cannot find my almond extract, but I know that we have it somewhere here. Is this? This is, yeah, I can't find my almond extract. So we have ginger, lemon extract. We're gonna start from the back. So we're gonna start from the back and then work our way to the front. And then we have, some edible green crystal sprinkles. Now this is all stuff that makes the food that you're making taste and look different from regular cakes and things like that. We have, except for this, we have baking powder, gel food coloring, we have bread flour, nutmeg. My friend Jasmine gave me these when she was having her friend's baby shower. We have classic hazelnut syrup. Let me smell it. A cake like this. It smells. It tastes delicious. We have some liquid syrup. I haven't used this yet. We have some pumpkin pie spice. Let's jump all over here. We already have the lemon. I just got this the day I'm making this. Maple extract, orange extract, cinnamon extract, vanilla extract, and oh yeah, let's get to some of the tools that I have. Here we have, oh yeah, forgot, active dry yeast. We have some measuring spoons. We have 1/8 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon, half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, half tablespoons, well, half a tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon. Then we have measuring cups. We have 1/4 cup, 1/3 cup, half a cup, and then 1 cup. We have a little flour cookie cutter. I used this one recently. We have a little heart cookie cutter. And then I also have a circle one and a star one, but I cannot find those either. And then I have a little square cookie cutter. And last but not least, a little offset spatulas. What these are called, I think. These are called offset spatulas. Are they called offset spatulas? Yeah, they're called offset spatulas. But here is my collection. Let's have them in like a little roll thingy, like a little. I'll show you guys. Starting from here. We're working our way over here, and then we're going up, and we're working our way over here. Thank you for watching this video. I wanted to show you guys my baking collection of the. Oh, 1 second. Oh no, my recipes fell. We should add this to the list. Here I have a chocolate mug cake recipe. Leave this up here, and then we have a special cookie recipe. Leave this up here. As I was saying before, thank you for watching this video. If you guys wanted to see my baking collection, I wanted to show you guys my baking collection so that you guys can request things that you wanted me to make, whether it's pizza, soft pretzels, cakes, cupcakes, cookies, whatever you wanted me to make, I'd make it. And